Hello everyone. Today we'll be talking about elastic load balancing and auto-scaling group section. So scalability and high availability. Scalability means that the system can handle greater loads by adapting. So there are two types of scalability. One is vertical, another is horizontal. So let's understand what is vertical scalability. Vertical scalability means increasing the size of the instance, as you can see. So what we are doing is we're going from T2 micro to T2 large. So and vertical scalability is very common for non-distributed systems such as databases. Next one is horizontal scalability. It means we are increasing the number of instances for your application. And this is very common for web apps and modern apps. High availability and scalability for EC2. These are some points. So let's understand what is another point is about load balancing. So load balancers, they are servers that forward the internet traffic to multiple servers. That is EC2 instances. And so why should we use a load balancer? They spread the load across the downstream instances. They can handle failures of the downstream instances easily, and they do regular health checkups for your instances as well. And why use an elastic load balancer? It because ELB is managed by load balancer. It takes care of the upgrades, maintenances, and high availability. And a classic load balancer is retired in 2023. So these are the only three load balancers which are currently in use: application load balancer, network, and gateway. So let's go to the practical side of this video. So to start with, we currently need to create two instances, and let's start. Go to EC2, go to instances. So can name them anything. 1 second. We're going to select Linux. Yeah. So once you are able to see free tier eligibility, you should move forward from there. Then T3 micro will keep it as it is. Select any key pair, whichever you wish to, and allow HTTP and HTTPS. Nothing to do here. And here, instead of one, we'll say we want to create two instances. Okay. And then launch your instance. Once your instance is successfully launched, as you can see, we have created two instances successfully. Let's name them server 1 and server 2, and they are running. So let them initialize. And so let's connect this one. Go to SSH, copy this command, go to CMD, and you have to repeat the same process. Downloads, paste the command, SSH command, enter. Yes. As you can see, it's running. Let's enter our command sudo yum update -y. Then we'll install a web server. Sudo yum install httpd-y. And once it is installed, we'll write those three system ctl commands: start httpd, sudo systemctl, enable httpd, sudo systemctl status httpd. Okay, once you're done with this, press the letter Q, and we have another command which is known as echo hello from server 1 sudo slash where www.html slash index.html. Okay, so it is reflecting hello from server 1. So we have to repeat the same process for server 2 as well. And if you can see, we can also check that through incognito mode. So it is saying the same. Okay, so let's connect our server 2. We have to repeat the same process for server 2. Go to SSH client, copy the command, open a new CMD, same process, cd downloads, paste the command, say yes, sudo. What are we going to do is we're going to update. Since we are in Linux, we're going to type yum. Okay, let it update, and then we'll proceed with installing our web server. Sudo yum install httpd-y. Once it is done, we'll go ahead with the systemctl commands. Start httpd sudo systemctl enable httpd. Third one, sudo systemctl status. Okay, httpd. Showing us active running. Press the letter Q, and again the same command, echo hello from server 2 sudo t slash where slash www slash html index.html. Okay, index.html. Okay, yeah, so let's confirm the same by clicking on the IP address of this second server. And it is also showing us the same thing. All right. Once you're done with this, we're going to move to this column, load balancers. Over there, we're going to click on target groups. We'll first create a target group. Select on target group. Then we are going to do it on instances. You can name anything, load balancer, target group, and all other parameters will remain the same. Okay, just enter the name and that's it. Just say next. As you can see, both these servers are running. So it's very important to select these two servers because we want a connection to be in between these two servers. So after you have selected them, you're going to click on include as pending below. This is very important step. Once you're done with that, you can see both of them are reflected over here, and then just click next. And once you're done, click create target groups, and your target group is created successfully. As you can see, 0 healthy, 0 unhealthy, 2 unused, and everything. So 0 should turn to 2. Next, we are going to go to load balancers. Click on create load balancers. All right, and then we are going to go with application load balancer. Click on create. Give it some name. Application a load balancer. Scheme would be internet facing, and then directly go keep all the parameters as it is. Directly go to availability zones, select all the three availability zones. All right. And then go to security groups. As you can see, only a default security group is being shown over here. Let's check our instance first. So in security, our instance is 16, 16, 16. Okay. Okay, so it is 16. So we are going to choose 16 from here, security group 16, as you can see here. That's it. And then forward to target groups as it is. And go to target group. We'll select this one, which we have created previously. And then that's it. Nothing to do much here. Directly create load balancer. And as you can see, our load balancer is successfully created. Now what you've got to do is, we have to just copy this DNS link and then we'll be checking it through our incognito window. I'll just copy it till then and let's check our target group status. As you can see, it has still to show that, yeah, now it changed. So now we can go and check our, let's copy this DNS link. And as you can see, it is reflecting. Once we refresh, it is showing hello from server 1. Again refresh, hello from server 2. So this is how the load balancing is done. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.